What is up, you guys? Dean here, and today we are going to be making my famous homemade mac and cheese. So what you'll need is some of this mac and cheese pasta stuff, and you are also going to need a pot, and you're also going to need a strainer. Let's do this. Now first what you want to do is you want to put some water inside the pot, and you want to put your temperature on medium. Don't put it on high, don't put it on extra high, because that will kill you. It will just burn your flesh off, okay? So don't do that. Now first off, you gotta wait until the water boils before you put in the pasta, and then you can put in the pasta, and then you gotta wait about 5 to 10 minutes. So we waited a couple minutes to get the water boiling. Now all you have to do is just pour in all the mac and cheese. Now this is where you just want to wait 5 to 10 minutes. Keep on stirring your pasta until it turns to mush. Or how you like your mac and cheese. I like it like soft and not hard as a rock, okay? Alright, so you're done cooking it. Now, what you want is you want to get that musk water look. All the time, you need to get that musk water look. Now, you need to drain it. Now for this, you have to be like very, very careful, or you will burn yourself and you will probably die and get stitches. I don't know how that's possible. I don't know how you would die from a burn, but you will be injured if you don't do this care. Oh, damn. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Guys, I survived. Yes! Alright guys, now this part, what you want to do is you want to basically squeeze all this out. Now there is a form of technique to get all of this out at the same time, but you know, I don't know how to do it, so just squeeze everything out. So just squeeze it. Just squeeze it and be done. Then, once you're done with that, you just want to stir it. Just stir it, all of this all around. Just stir it until it's all nice and complete and all mushy and, you know, mac and cheese, you know, you gotta make everything cheesy, okay? Now don't judge me here, this is my first time making mac and cheese. Second time making mac and cheese, all by myself. So don't judge me. That is some good mac and cheese. And that, my friend, is how you make mac and cheese. Homemade style. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, do whatever you want, and please help me get to 700 subscribers. If you like the commentary, please leave a like and goodbye.